Hey guys, here's the demo video or the overview for M2. So for this one, we're going to be using a drum switch. A drum switch is intended to help the motor run in forward or reverse. It does have three positions. It has an off position, a forward position, and a reverse position. However, we still need to use a manual motor starter. So let's take a look at the schematic. Here you can see that we're coming out of the three-phase disconnect to the line side of our manual motor starter. The reason why we're still using the manual motor starter is because the drum switch does not provide overload protection for our motor. So the combination of the manual motor starter and the drum switch will allow us to provide protection for the motor, as well as achieve forward and reverse operation of the motor. So keep in mind, if you do not press the start button on the manual motor starter, the motor will not run forward or reverse regardless of which position you put the drum switch in. The schematic for the drum switch is below. You can see here that when it's in reverse, 1 will make contact with 3, 2 will make contact with 4, and 5 will make contact with 6. Likewise, in the forward position, 1 is going to make contact with 2, 3 is going to make contact with 4, and 5 and 6 still maintain that contact. What does this mean for switching the direction of a motor? Well, typically you want to switch leads or lines 1 and 3 into the motor starter in order to get a reverse direction of what you currently have. The drum switch will do that for you. So it will switch lines 1 and 2, which will switch the direction of the phase rotation, allowing the motor to run forward or reverse. Let's jump back to the actual shop job. So on the shop job, you should make a drawing of the three positions of the drum switch. I'd also like to see you guys include the power circuit going to the drum switch from the manual motor starter and your disconnect. All right, and take some time to ring out that drum switch with your multimeter, put it on continuity so that you can understand what position is forward, what position is reverse, and what position is off by using your multimeter. All right, other than that, there's really not much to this. Okay, just take your time, make sure you understand the positions of the drum switch, and good luck with this one. Please email me or call me if you have any questions while doing the shop job. Thank you.